What's up mga ka-idol? Kanta-kanta lang Santano, bahalag voice sounds. I just had a dream that you were far away, and that someone else was in your arms today. Though I know it's just a dream, still my fear it's so extreme. 'Cause I know that dreams could sometimes be so true and not be blue. Then I told myself I'd always stay the same. Even if you hurt me, I wouldn't take the blame. You are all I'm living for. I would love you even more. Lansa, salamat sa pagtanaw.